Let's take a look at the number 11. It says, Weatherwise is a magazine published by the American Meteorological Society. One issue gives a rating system used to classify nor'easter storms that frequently hit New England and can cause much damage. Severe storm has an average peak height of mu is equal to 16.4. That's probably the old mu, if I had to guess. Okay, for waves, suppose that a nor'easter is in progress. It's a severe storm class rating. Peak wave heights are usually measured from land off fixed cement piers. Suppose a reading of 36 waves, so N is 36, showed an average wave height of X bar is equal to 7.3, or 17.3. Previous studies of severe storms indicate that sigma is equal to 3.5. Does this information suggest that storm is increasing above the severe rating? Increasing. That sounds like our claim. So the mean is increasing, and then it has to refer to a previous value, which is always your population value. It can never be your X bar. It's always population. So increasing from 16.4. Well, oh, sigma. Let's see. Sigma is 0.01. Sigma. Alpha is 0.01. Okay, step 1. Write down a shortened version of the claim. Well, you did that. Step 2. Come up with your null and ultimate hypothesis. Increasing is greater than. So that would be H1. Mu is greater than 16.4. Remember, the only symbol we can put on H naught is equal. So that's mu is equal to 16.4. Step 3, see if your claim matches H naught or H1. Well, it obviously matches H1. Now, we're performing hypothesis test on the mean, and sigma is known. Sigma is this little O with a flip here. Since population standard deviation is known, that means we're going to use z-test to find our p-value. So let's go do that. Okay. So press stat, go to tests, and enter on z-test. Now we're given summary statistics. We don't got raw data, so I'm going to right arrow over, put my flashing cursor on stats, and press enter. Then a down arrow. Mu naught will be the number off of our claim, H naught or H1, which is 16.4. Sigma was 3.5. X bar was 17.3. N is 36. The symbol on H1 was a greater than. So I'm going to right arrow over to the greater than and press enter on it. Down arrow and do enter on calculate. And we get P is equal to 0.0614. Now, even though this is has t-test here, this is the same process for any hypothesis test. So I come down to my conclusion. If p-value is less than alpha, it's not. P-value is 6%, alpha is 1%. So it says that p-value is greater than alpha. It says we accept H naught. So we'll accept H naught, which means we're going to reject H1. And since our claim matches H1, whatever we say about H1 is what we say about our claim. So we're going to reject our claim. And your entire answer, or your answer is the entire process. It's not, the answer is not reject claim.